So these are 10 12s, Rockford 12s. So I got a question for you. Can you remember that one moment when you listen to a car audio system, and in that moment it just made you fall in love with car audio and bass and just everything about it, the way it would like wrench at your gut? Because I sure as hell can remember that moment for me. It was back when I was a teen. A buddy of mine installed an Alpine 25x4 CD front loader. Yes, it was back then. 25x4 was like the dog's tits. He had a set of Pioneer 6x9s on the back shelf, and in the boot he had a big old box with two Rockford Fosgate 12-inch woofers in there, and we're talking the old logo Rockford 12s. And driving these 12s was a mighty Pioneer 400 watt amp. That sounds ridiculous by today's standards, I know, but remember back then this was like some sound. And dude, I swear, I promise you, that was the moment when I was like, holy hell, this is awesome, this is some cool ass. That was the moment where I like well and truly fell in love with car audio, and I've basically been dabbling in it on a personal level ever since. And the reason why I'm telling you all of this, what I'm trying to get at, is yesterday when my homie Anis from Sounds Dynamic called me up and he's like, dude, I've just finished up this new install. I knew exactly what he was talking about, and I was like, say no more fam, I'm on my way. So I went through to him and he gave me a demo, and guys, dude, I swear, genuine belly laughter. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It boggles the mind. Don't take my word for it. Why don't you just watch this and see for yourself?
Finger bang it to the 100.
That is flipping amazing. Oh my god, wow. And just in case you're wondering, 1 2 3 4 amps, that's all. Bloody hell.